Hey everyone, this is Anastasia, and this week's video is going to be a little serious. Hearing about the tragic loss and suicide of Kate Spade. This is a supportive call to action. No longer can we just sit back and watch people post and not do anything. My motto, take what you learn and make a difference with it. Well, guess what? We're going to make a difference with it today. This is taken from the suicide prevention line, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I'm going to use my husband's post. As you can see, this is actually from my homepage. And I guess you could say I'm currently stalking my husband, but here's what you can do. Let's say this post to me was concerning. So you report post, then you would go over here and say, I think it shouldn't be on Facebook. It's threatening, violent, or suicidal, self-injury, or suicide. So what can you do? It'll tell me what I can do, so I can offer help. So literally this would come from me and go to David. And basically I look at this is our supportive call to action, because sometimes we don't know what to say. So I think that's a really great way to open the conversation. The next is to reach out to a friend. Personally, I think you could really work with this if you live out of state and maybe you notice something with somebody's post. This way you could type in anybody's friend who lives maybe in their city, maybe their neighborhood. Have them, just reach out to them and check in on them. You can also go to Learn How to Talk with David Rice about this, and this will give you a really cool video that will show you different ideas of what you can do for support. And then finally, you can ask Facebook to look at the post. When David signs back into Facebook, he's going to see this drop-down menu, and he has a choice. He can talk with a friend, he can call somebody, he can even skip this process if he chooses to. But we're going to look at the contact support service. So if you click on that, what happens is this new page will pop up, and you'll get the phone number for the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. You'll also have the option to text a crisis counselor. This is really helpful because you just don't know where somebody is at. Next up, let's say you want, not ready for that, but I'd like to know some resources and maybe look at some support. It'll take you to a page basically for a breather. These pages were given by crisis counselors who work at the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Now, if you want to save this or even look at other stories for people who have walked down a path that you are potentially on, you can save these in your settings where the circular arrow is under your settings. And this is your support inbox. You can reference these at any time. Here's where I found everything on suicide safety on social media. So it gives you Facebook, just showed you what to do. Twitter, same thing. It shows you what to do. Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, everything is on there for us to help somebody out. And that, in my humble opinion, is our supportive call to action. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this, or if it helped you, or maybe you gained some knowledge from it, please comment. I'd love to hear from you. Like this channel and join me every single week here where I provide you with some health tips for your personal and professional growth. And until next Wednesday, take what you learn and make a difference with it.